Welcome back to NextWave Bikes, where we dive deep into the machines that fuel our adrenaline. Today, we're taking a closer look at an absolute legend in the superbike world, the BMW S1000RR. This bike isn't just about speed, it's a symbol of cutting-edge technology, design, and performance. From the first glance, the BMW S1000RR is a showstopper. BMW has crafted a bike that looks fast even when standing still. With its aerodynamic fairings, sleek dual headlights, and aggressive stance, it's clear that BMW designed this bike to turn heads. The sharp lines, combined with the minimalistic but functional bodywork, make the S1000RR look both sleek and powerful. And it's not just about looks. The bike's lightweight build uses high-performance materials, making it as functional as it is eye-catching. The BMW S1000RR is packed with some of the most advanced technology you'll find on any bike. The full-color TFT display provides every detail you need with easy visibility in all conditions. And if you're craving more control, you'll appreciate the ShiftCam technology, which optimizes valve timing for different power demands. With multiple riding modes, dynamic traction control, and a quick shifter, this bike is ready for any road and any rider. BMW has even included a dynamic damping control system, which adjusts the suspension on the fly, giving you confidence in every turn. The BMW S1000RR isn't just a bike, it's a masterpiece of engineering, style, and performance. Whether you're an enthusiast or just dream of a high-speed ride, the S1000RR embodies everything a superbike should be. If this beast has you revving to go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible bike content, and let us know in the comments what you think of the S1000RR. Thanks for tuning in to NextWave Bikes. See you on the next ride.